for epic launcher. 5, 2, 3, 1, take off!
Forward, backwards, upwards, forward. That! Wrong button. I forgot which was the turn off and turn on. And move about. And everything.
Yeah. So, epic launcher. 2, 3, 1, 5.
So that one. Forward, backwards.
It's coming towards me.
I know how to control it. It's just really difficult.
That's like twitching. Dude, get off it.
Oh, yeah. I was at look, right?
Get stop with the fingers. Woo! No.
You win.
So crazy. It's so sweet. Get ready, Ed.
Then.
Oh.
Still recording?
And it failed.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Okay, get back up. Take off. 5, 3, 2, 1. Take off.
Again.
Lol. Lol.
No one left.
And we'll launch at 5, 2, 1, 2, 1.
I don't know how to make it hover.
Land, Charlie. Land it quick.
I don't want forward.
Let's go. You can see
I landed it.
Sort of. It's
Best I could do.
okay. 5, 2, 1, 0, 1.
Woo! Forward.
Charlie. No, not to me. Not to me. I'm really stiffer.
Land. Not on the technical shit of whistles.
What? And it isn't damaged yet. You say it's not damaged.
No. I don't know why this isn't broken. It's like super. It costs like
Okay.
circle.
Charlie, try land it.
Ah! I landed.
Oh!
I would turn the controller off when I go to pick it up in case I'm lucky. Ah! I fell off the bed.
No!
I know how to control it.
She's trying to jump off the bed.
I've got a plane.
I've got to jump
I've got
off
a helicopter, and I know how to control it.
I had to jump on the bed. It was going to kill me. Well, I was starting.
Ah!
Oh my god, it's going for me again. We're trapped. No.
It's cool because I actually know how to control it.
That's better. Oh, not better.
It's cool.
Going for landing, Charlie. Going for landing.
I landed it. I'm pretty good at this, apart from like, you know, I can't make it over. That should be a thing, man.
Yeah, who thing, man? The Tesco man.
Ah! Why is it going down?
Up.
Up! What the
Where's
hell?
it landing?
Is it like running out of charge or something? What the hell? Yeah, it's running out of charge.
Get Daniel to come in.
Alright, stop the video.
Okay.
Charge.